Hey guys, welcome back to my coverage of the 2023 Chicago Auto Show. I wanted to quick make a video on this 2023 Ram Havoc edition, which is a very limited edition according to Ram and is on sale right now according to what I've seen as far as the press releases go and some videos here on YouTube. So this is a special edition which mainly features a limited edition paint color in this yellow shade. Now you can see they have this one as well as the one way back there up on the stand. So if you're looking for a limited edition, well, two of them are right here on the auto show floor. But anyways, this is based upon the level 2 equipment group of the TRX, so it is very well equipped. And the MSRP on this truck is over $105,000, including destination. So it's quite pricey and doesn't come with a bunch of limited edition parts, mainly just the interior and exterior design elements. So I'm not going to go over the Ram TRX in detail because I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of Ram videos out there, so there's not really a need for more content, but I do just want to show you around the Havoc edition in a little bit of detail and show you kind of what this color looks like on the TRX. It's quite stunning in person, I have to say. But up front of the TRX, of course, you do get full LED lighting, LED fog lights, the black recovery hooks, and of course the Ram front and center in the grille. Of course, you do get skid plates and all of the off-road capable goodies. Of course, you have your marker lights up here on the hood because this vehicle is wide enough and needs to kind of have them to meet the regulations on US roadways. So you have the ones on the corners as well as the ones across the hood. This is definitely a very functional hood scoop. You have the TRX here in the decal, 6.2 liter supercharged V8. And of course the wide body stance, which is just amazing. The TRX is definitely one of the most badass trucks that has ever been produced in the 1500 segment for sure. 35-inch tires come standard with beadlock capable wheels on this truck. Black mirror caps, LED turn signals, heated mirrors, blind spot detection, all the usual safety systems that you would expect. Proximity entry on the front door handles. And as you can see, this one does have the black accented door handles to contrast against the paint, as well as the black accented TRX logos on the quarter panels. So once again, this truck looks fantastic. Out back, you do have more marker lights on the sides, full LED tail lights, your TRX, Ram, and 4x4 badging on the tailgate. Dual outlet exhaust sounds great from the factory. Definitely, if you add aftermarket parts, sounds even better in my opinion. Parking sensors, tow hitch, all the capable stuff with your gloss black design. Tailgate release handle. This one does have a tonneau cover on it as well, the soft type. Bilstein shocks, they are active. And just showing you guys around this truck exactly, once again, Havoc edition. 4.5 seconds, 0 to 60, 118 mile per hour top speed. There's some of the TRX specifications if you guys want to pause this and read through it yourself. But overall, very cool looking truck, very badass at that. Now to quickly show you guys on the interior, because there are a few design elements that are unique to this special edition. So one of the main things on the inside is going to be the yellow accented stitching to kind of match the paint color. So you can see the soft touch materials up top with the accent stitch, the padded armrest, as well as some of the carbon fiber trim. This is a level 2 equipment group, so it does have the Harman Kardon premium audio system and a lot of the nice luxury amenities found on the TRX. Power driver's seat with lumbar adjustment. And there's more of the yellow accent stitching on the seats, with the yellow TRX logo stitched into the backrest. Here's the steering wheel. You get the yellow accent stitching. It is Alcantara here on the sides with the perforated leather. The dashboard is featuring the yellow stitching as well as more of the suede accents. Large Uconnect screen, 4-wheel drive controls, including your launch modes and some of your off-road modes. The center console features the soft touch materials as well. And then there is a Havoc Special Edition VIN badge here on the center console lid. That features the Havoc Edition logo featured in yellow printing, the VIN number, and all of that information kind of for this truck right there. Very cool stuff in my opinion. And you can see it is suede as well. So that's a look at the front seat. Now take a look at the back. Of course, all of the yellow accents are going to follow through. Here in the back, you'll find many amenities, including heated and ventilated second row seats, USB charging, 120 volt outlet. You can see you have all of your mounts for accessories on the backs of the front seats. More of the carbon fiber-esque trim, panoramic sunroof, of course. Does have the suede kind of soft touch headliner. and of course the Harman Kardon audio system here in the headliner as well. So very cool truck in my opinion. It is kind of just limited edition based solely on the design elements of the color, and of course the interior accents as well. So I don't think there's actually any mechanical differences as far as that goes, but just the level 2 equipment group base for the Havoc, which already puts the price, I think, over the $90,000 price point anyway. And of course there is a premium just to get this exclusive yellow color on the outside, as well as the yellow accent interior. Now I believe this one might be a Havoc edition as well, because according to Ram, this is the only way you can get the yellow paint on the outside. This one does have the different fender decal, or a bedside decal rather, kind of in the larger font with kind of the larger graphic. I assume that is an option you can kind of pick between depending on the truck that you spec out. But just to give you a quick look on the underside, you can see all the mechanical aspects if you care to see this. There's a full-size spare underneath the truck. Of course, you do have the transfer case, the 2-speed transfer cases, the 4-wheel drive system. So yeah, hopefully that gives you a better understanding of what the underside of the Ram TRX looks like. I'm sure there's many videos out there on YouTube that showcase this, but I think it's very cool of Ram to feature this truck on the stand and have the videos playing to kind of showcase the mechanical capabilities of the TRX in all its glory. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick look at the limited edition 2023 Ram TRX Havoc edition. Let me know down in the comment section below, do you think the limited edition is solely worth the paint color exclusivity? Ram said these are very limited edition trucks, so I assume maybe a couple hundred at most for at least the US market anyways. If you guys enjoyed this quick walk around, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, and check out some of my other coverage here for the 2023 Chicago Auto Show. I've been having a blast checking out a lot of new products, and there's an exciting year coming for 2023 calendar year as far as new vehicle launches go. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this coverage. Let me know what you guys think of the Ram TRX, and as always, hope to see you guys in the next one. So we just got led into the concept and technology garage, and they have one of the electric Dodge Challenger concepts over here. So we're gonna go straight to that and take a look at this, along with the Ram electric pickup over there. This is gonna be sweet. Wow. This is crazy. It's actually looking quite production ready, I have to say. Love the LED signature in the back with the SRT logo. Oh, look at this.